this. So we are using the critical value method. The first step is to solve the inequality. Solve the equation. So we treat the inequality as an equation. We replace the sign with the equal sign. So now we solve two equations. Just let the left hand side always positive and the right hand side can be positive or negative. So when it's positive, this is what we get. When it's negative, we multiply by negative, and then we expand. This is 2x minus 6, and we just add 5x to both sides. We have 7x, and we add 6 to both sides, so we have 8, and then we divide both sides by 7. We get the first solution to the equation, and we expand again for the second equation. Minus 2x minus 2 minus 3 plus 6, and then we add 5x to both sides again. We get 3x, and subtract 6 from both sides. We get minus 4, and divide both sides by 3. We get the other solution. Now, since we have absolute value on only one side, we have to check our solutions to the equation. So we plug in, just use a calculator, and for the 8/7, you replace this x and this x with 8/7, just like this. And on the left, we get something negative. On the right, don't forget to use the absolute value symbol, the ABS button in the calculator, and you will get something positive. So they are not the same, so this is rejected. This solution cannot be used. And for the minus 4/3, again we plug in, and we get exactly the same on the left and on the right, which means we can use this solution. So we have only one critical value. Back to the inequality, draw a number line, put the critical value on the number line. So this means we have two possible intervals for the solution. We can use the left hand side, which is smaller than minus 4/3, or the right hand side, which is bigger than minus 4/3. Okay, so we have two possible intervals. To know which interval we can use, plug in a random number in each interval. Something smaller than minus 4/3, for example minus 10, plug into the inequality. So replace this x and this x with minus 10, just like this. Don't forget to use the absolute value function or the ABS function in the calculator. So on the left we get 52, on the right we get 26. 52 is greater than 26, just like the inequality. So this means we can use this interval. So we can use this interval, but for the right interval, when we plug in something greater than minus 4/3, such as 10, we will get something negative on the left. So minus 48 is of course not greater than 14, which means we cannot use this interval. So the final answer is x is less than minus 4/3. Alright, I'll see you again next time.